everybody on Google Plus. Today I'll be showing you the game I'm making. It won't be pictures, it will be me playing the actual game. Now, I'm going to run this here and you'll see it's got music. When you click the buttons, they make noises. And when you click this, it'll make the button noise and it'll play. Here, it's not working 100%. The buttons should be bigger. But it's save slot 1, save slot 2. What you do is you click the save slot. If the world does not exist, it will create it. And if it does, it will just load the game as normal without saving or loading or anything. Same for this one here. But what happens is if you click save slot 2 and you go to save it in the game, it will save a second game, which is like the second world, which is called world2.universe. That's just where all these things are saved, like your x coordinates, y coordinates, blocks, all those different things. So I'm going to click save slot 1 and I'll say, do you want to run this server? The server runs and it works, but I do not know how to get extra players and that sort of stuff onto the server so you can play multiplayer. But I'll click it anyway because it doesn't matter what I do, the game will be the same. See, it's like this. As you can see the sounds for moving and rain. Maybe you can't hear it, but it's a bit like grass. Then, if I go into the menu, I can go into options. There's help. But help doesn't do anything yet. Don't know anything for that yet. Then if you go to save game, you can save it. Which you don't want to save it if you already have your world created, because if the world is created, obviously you don't want to override all your progress. So if you click load game, okay, it's not working. Doesn't happen too often. It's a rare glitch. Used to be more likely to happen. But you just got to be careful. If it does that when your world loads up, you go out of the game, like you either exit game or go up here and click that, and then you come back into the game and you load game. And see, it's working now. So that's one thing you can do. There's other things. See this here? This is a barrel. Okay, there is a minor glitch where you can't do certain things. I don't know why this happens. But it is really annoying. You can mine things, and that works. But nothing else seems to work. It's weird. Not that nothing else seems to work, but I mine this and I place it. That is something that needs to be fixed. Probably before the game gets released, but yeah, it's annoying. Now, if we do this, you can get wood. Things I just put in were pine wood planks. Well, not planks, pine wood logs. And then it gave me stripped wood, stripped pine wood. And I can use that I can make 6 sticks. and I can make a crafting bench, and these can be taken. So if I place a crafting bench like this, you see it's, you know, a crafting bench. You can do some things in here. Say for example, I can make a rocket. I'm not going to be showing you how the rocket works today because it is in development and will not be usable in the game currently because of its how terrible it is. But here's how I make it. You would have a command pod, tank here, and the engine here. See, I disabled the crafting because I didn't want people making something that doesn't work. But the one thing I can do, or not, sorry I can't go into there, but I'll show you how it works anyway. What you do is you take sticks, put them at the bottom, you put string here, then the other thing I have here is a bone, bone, that's it, it's a bone, and then it gives you a bone pickaxe. There's no way to obtain bones from animals, like from killing them, but there were some in these chests, but the chests won't work. It's a bit weird. It's a little glitch. It's a little glitch where when you load a world, you can't open it. Or even the crafting bench probably won't work when I save the world and reopen it. But I'll give it a try later just to make sure I haven't done something to... What's it called? Barrels, yeah, barrels. You know, they're chests. Like, they're chests, but I call them barrels because they look like barrels that you would put your water in or food supplies. So anyway, going on, this thing here, if you can see the mouse, the top corner of the inventory is plastic. The next one is glass. This is string. That is a door. The doors can be placed and they'll be 2-story, like 2 blocks high, but they cannot be mined properly. This is the engine, tank, and command pod for a rocket. That must be the same thing. They must both be plastic and they're sticks. See here, here's a rocket. That stone, you probably guessed that stone, and that's earth, and there's the barrel, and there's the strip wood. Here, if you can see it, right below the pig, which is glitching. Glitching, it's weird. He here is standing on water, even though he should be able to fall into the water, it just doesn't work. But I can mine some grass here and I can make some house. Like look, there's a tree obviously. I can make a house, I can build anything, I can go mining. If those stupid chests will let me in. If they'll let me open the chests, I'll be happy, but no, the chests don't work. More trees, anything else. There's iron, gold, and diamond. They're not very rare, as I'll show you in a little while. They're like, you kind of go down and you will find like 9 diamond in one area. It's a bit weird. Oh, I can still collide with these stupid blocks. With the top of the water. But look here, that is tall grass and that is an oak tree. Nothing special can be done with oak, but it's still there. And this is lava. I'm going to fall into the lava and probably get killed. See, my lives are going down. Here. It's not very nice. But if I had some more stone, I would actually be able to make a smasher, because I should tell you there's 3 different types. There's a few different things you can make for crafting and smelting and stuff like that. You can make the crafting bench. You can use, as I mentioned, if you have this here, this piece of wood, and anything up and one block above it is not like a block like water or lava or anything, and it's just air, and the block below it is not this wood, then you can open it and you can do basic crafting. And then if you make the crafting table, you can do more crafting. You can use a furnace to smoke things like iron, and you can also use that on it. Right? So